heard that the company was going cloud, but I didn't expect this to happen.
No, that isn't what they mean. But do you know what all the fuss is about? I can help you out. It'll only take a few moments.
Yeah, I think you better tell me about it.
The cloud is a metaphor for a global network, which is just a fancy industry way of saying that software or services run over the internet instead of on your computer. The data isn't actually in the sky, it's stored on another computer or several computers elsewhere. The network of computers finds the data you need when you need it, so it feels like it came out of thin air, or, well, a cloud.
All right, I guess.
Let's try this. Think about a light bulb. When you turn it on, you expect light. You don't care where it came from, or even think about the power plant or the transmission lines. You just want to flip the switch and get light. Take that a step further. When you buy a light bulb, you don't pay the electric company upfront for how long you might use it. Instead, you pay for the amount of electricity that you actually use. It's just a vehicle for an end result. And you never need to worry about how or when power plants upgrade to the latest technology. It likely happens without you even thinking or knowing about it. And you don't have to manage scaling the electricity. For example, as people move to your town, you can rest assured that your light will stay on.
Okay, I get that. But how does that translate to the cloud?
You probably use the cloud every day whether you realize it or not. When you search for something online, you're accessing computers all over the planet. If you use services like Google Drive or Dropbox to store your stuff like work documents or family photos, you're using the cloud. All social media, including Facebook and Instagram, online shopping, online bill paying and banking. You guessed it, the cloud. Not to mention Netflix. I could go on and on.
So what you're saying is that the cloud already plays a huge part in our daily lives without us really ever thinking about it. We use the cloud to communicate and be social, inform, exercise, commute, and entertain. Imagine what it would be like if we used it for business.
Exactly. Let's talk about that. First, let's talk about technology upgrades. Forget about them. Moving to the cloud keeps customers up to date on the latest and greatest release of our software. We keep all the hardware up to date and perform all of the other IT tasks. And it's cost effective. Like your electricity, there's no upfront infrastructure costs. Customers pay for additional resources when they need them and stop paying when they don't.
So customers get all the latest releases without doing anything? That's awesome.
Yeah. As you know, making our systems available and reliable is essential to keep our customers happy and prevent revenue losses. Cloud services help to provide this. Plus, they get data backups, disaster recovery, and fully redundant backup data centers just in case, not to mention security. Did you know that cloud providers offer more policies, technologies, and controls to protect data from potential threats? That's important, both to Epicor and our customers. Oh yeah, and it's global. Azure and AWS, the providers we use, offer fully redundant data centers all over the globe. It doesn't matter where our customers are. They can access their data quickly and easily from anywhere.
So really, when you think about it, it seems like a good idea to be in the cloud. The cloud lets us spend more time on what matters and less time managing the underlying details.
You got it. But you know, I've just scratched the surface. Epicor is driving the industry in cloud solutions. Move to the next topic to learn more about how moving to the cloud can help everyone.